Assalamualaikum to everyone. We are from Hisyamuddin and our group member are Muhamad Haikal, Muhammad Fitri Aiman, Putra Aiman, Adam and Nurul Amira Farhana. Our company names is Essen and our type of business is partnership. Our product is easy to carry bag with kit protection suitable for the current pandemic era situation today. Our vision is to be recognized as a company that produces the best essential product throughout Malaysia. And our mission is encourage customers to be more alert during this pandemic era.
This is our organizational chart. At the top, you can see Muhammad Haikal bin Sodis Tuah as our general manager of this business. His duties include developing business in strategy development, supervising daily operations, pursuing specific targets and objectives, reporting to and working with department managers. Under the general manager, we have 4 head of department. Firstly, we have Muhammad Fitri Aiman bin Zainalabidin as head of operation department, who is in charge of monitoring various aspects of the company, ensuring sustainability and reliability when attempting to cut costs, and he also supervises other main executives in various departments and direct groups of people through their special tasks in order to accomplish company-wide objectives. Secondly, we have Putra Aiman Naim bin Khaizal Ozlen as our head of marketing department, who is in charge of the publicity and communication initiatives as well as the company's overall identity and profile. He develops annual marketing plans, campaign and event schedule, a marketing budget, and analyze the market and competitors. Next, we have our head of human resource department, who is Adam bin Hasman. He is in charge of ensuring that our company's human resources department runs smoothly and profitably. He usually oversees and advises management on strategic hiring strategies, salaries, pensions, training and growth, budgeting, and also labor relations. And lastly, we have Nurul Amira Farhana binti Hisyamuddin as our head of finance department, and she is in charge to oversee the finance department's overall operations and deals directly with the head of the sub-departments to meet the overall production goals. She is also in charge of reviewing and approving all accounting records and transactions for the whole company before they are submitted to top management for enforcement. With the current pandemic ongoing here in Malaysia, general health has been a concern. With the face mask being mandatory here in Malaysia, most of the people are given the choice to wear either reusable mask or disposal mask. Not only that, people nowadays need to wear masks, other essential items such as hand sanitizer and wet wipes are increasing in demand in this current time. These essential items are usually sold separately, and it is rare for the item to be sold in such a way that everything is all in one in an easy to carry bag or container. Problems such as misplacing or forgetting to bring one of the essential items could arise when those things are relatively small and not put together.
It is our prototype of our product, the essential bag. I will describe this prototype. This product is in a 50 cm half transparent ziplock bag. This is our tool. Product content 50 ml hand sanitizers, 2 disposable face masks, 1 pack of 10 sheet wet wipe, and 1 pack of alcohol disinfectant wipe. This product weight is 55 gram in total.
relationships we form with other companies, governments, and non-profit organizations that allow our business model to operate are referred to as key partners. This could include relationships with our manufacturers, distributors, business associates, and others. Indeed, the partnerships we would undoubtedly form will be powers that will aid our company's growth in ways that would be impossible for us to do on our own. Our business has two key partners. One of them is outsource partner. Essen will provide a contract with an outsource partner in order to assist us in producing COVID essential Ziploc, which we will not be able to manufacture on our own. We'll send them every aspect of our plans for this COVID essential Ziploc so that they can create the product exactly as we want it. We have a contract in place to pay for the products that our partner has produced for us in exchange. Another key partner is retailers. Retailers such as 99 Speed Mart, My News, and 7-Eleven will work with Essen to market our product in their shops. We choose these retailers because the majority of our target buyers visit their stores and purchase their goods. In reality, it will provide us with more customers and market. The second element of our BMC is key activities. These are the most significant elements that a company must follow in order to achieve its goals. Any operations in which our businesses engages solely for the purpose of benefit are considered key activities. Operations, marketing, engineering, problem solving, and management are all part of it. The third element of BMC is key resources. These are the most important elements of our business model that must be improved. The branded properties of an enterprise that are needed to manage and sustain a company are known as key resources. Financial, human, intellectual, and social capital, as well as the amount of tangible and intangible resources, are examples of these resources. Another element of BMC is the value proposition. A value proposal is a particular mix of products and services that provides incentives to the user by making a contribution to the solution of the customer's issue or by value addition. A commodity may have a single value proposition or a number of them. For our product is environmental friendly Ziploc bag. We choose to produce a sustainable environmental product. So we wanted to design our COVID essential Ziploc product by using a compostable zip bag. In addition, the bag also can be reused, resealable, and waterproof.
Next is the customer relationship. Social media. We prefer to use social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to stay connected after reviewing different networks to raise visibility and draw new customers. Next is the channels. In order to deliver our value proposition, Essen engages with and addresses our customer segments in this section. It's critical to figure out which platform is better for reaching out to consumers for our business. Firstly, retail. There are some of the retail outlets such as My News, 7-Eleven, and 99 Speed Mart, where we sell our COVID essential Ziploc kit for our company. This retail outlet will assist us in directly marketing our COVID essential Ziploc kit to the end users. Next, social media. We use Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to increase consumer awareness of our product while also assisting consumers in evaluating our company's value proposition. Lastly, online shopping platform. Customers will buy our COVID essential kit without needing to go to the store using online shopping sites such as Shopee, Lazada, and Instagram. Next is the customer segments. In our customer segments, we have two customer segments, which is the adults and the teenagers. Next is the cost structure. Cost structure consists of cost of material, marketing, and logistics. Finally, the revenue streams. Our main revenue streams come from the sales of our products such as the essential kits. In conclusion, we want people to use this product during this pandemic because this product has complete set of essential tools to prevent COVID virus and can encourage people to always follow the SOP. to this bag is very easy to carry and very suitable for any people. We also plan to expand our product overseas to expand our market and